Hey, yo, look at this stick. Look at this stick. Look at it. Watch this. Watch this. Do you hear that?
Hear what, man? What are you talking about?
Shoot, it sounds like helicopters, bro. We gotta go now!
They're gonna get us, dude. The FBI is after us, dude. From all the fucking shits I took in Taco Bell.
Yeah, dude, I've lit up some big bombs there. Frick, bro, get my gun right now. Get my gun.
It's go time, baby. Let's go.
Hey, give me the gun. Give me the gun. Man, I didn't graduate Harvard for this to happen to me.
Man, I didn't even finish high school.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
Peasants.
Dude, we're both gonna die anyways.
I don't care.
I don't wanna hear your shit.
Shut up. Peasants.
Man, fuck you.
Dude, the helicopter's found us, bro. They got him! Oh no!
Pathetic humans.